Alright guys, today we're playing with fire. If you're watching this at home, do not do this at home. Okay, that's my general advertisement. Garden surgeon disclaimer. We're playing with fire. As you guys know, yours truly is very, very strong. And I have a secret potion that I have used to get this strong. And today I'm going to share it with you. We call it the mix of the gods. This is what guys as Hercules used to drink to get strong. Milos, you guys know who Milos was?
No.
Oh, we gotta talk about these cool people. And of course, the most famous strong man, Master Roberto. It's called protein powder. So when you get a little protein powder, right? Just to demonstrate how strong this is, and you mix it with water, just nice clear water. This magical strong mix is capable of even turning fire from a distance. It tastes really bad. Obviously, if it killed the fire, it probably would kill me. So I don't take it all at once. I take a little sip.
It's baking soda and water. It's so good. It almost looks like it's not gonna swallow. It looks like syrup. That looks like magic.
Ah! Woo! I feel it! Woo! Yeah, who wants some? Huh? If I cover this, all the oxygen, the fire will consume it, right? And will not be able to burn anymore.
Oh, wow. What? Cool. That's cool. No, that's cool. That's pretty burning. It kind of burned the box.
Alright, for a last magic trick. This one is my favorite with fire. This is one I'm going to let one very strong kid try.
The other cup's over there if you want it.
I might just watch.
We're going to blood. And now your job is to put your hand over here and hold it without burning until it turns off. Who wants to try first? I need someone with a big hand. Devin. Alright, don't let go. When you're ready to let go, take it out. Whipped. You're whipped.
It's hot.
Gabriel. He's got big hands. And let this big kiss give it a shot.
Like,
Another big win.
I can do it.
Last one.
Jay, you're supposed to do it. Dude, Jay wants to do it. Nobody's gonna be. Wow. He did it!
Oh, so close.
No, he's still alive. You know, I thought you almost had it. I'm sorry. You want to give up? You want to try again? Open your hand more. Another win.
Wait,
Right. My turn.
He put something on his. He put water.
I got this.
He put water.
Not on camera. Not on camera. Come on. Hey!
No!
Yeah, applause. Hey, so we're gonna talk more about no parents allowed. Out of here, we got a science experiment. We talked about a couple ways that we can turn off fires. In our next discussion, we're gonna see what the chemistry behind is going on. You guys have fun?
Yeah!
Peace. Alright guys, so from our last experiment, we had the hydrogen peroxide where the hydrogen broke apart from the oxygen. We have our periodic table, which we're going to be